2017 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Beautiful white color. Look at that. Sexy little car. Anyways, it's got factory converters right there and right there. Then it's got factory X pipe there. Factory mid mufflers. We did something different on this one. Factory valves there and there. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there. And put some massive 5-inch rolled tips there and there. As you guys can see, came out absolutely magnificent. There's the two rear mufflers that we just cut off right there with the stock tips. Ugly. Much better. Looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, and it gives it a lot deeper tone. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff you guys do for Hellcat. And it's got the red paint. Whoa. Here's sound decibels. Again. 113. 114. So probably 115. That sounds nice. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Those tips fit it so perfectly though. Alright, go ahead and back it up. Got the step-on guy making all the noise. See him right there? Let you guys hear on the other side. There's that distinctive sound again. Nice. All right, I'm back. Let's bring it over there. Nice. Hellcat Charger. Love it. Be smooth.